The Clothesline Vision, Part 10 of 10. The Clothesline Vision Conclusion. Jesus said, "It is finished." He crossed over the finish line, revealed unto me his clothesline, the daughters of Zion's hairline. All right now, my brothers and sisters, Yahshua freely gave his cheek, making it possible to cover her and you, staying broken at his feet. Rolled up in a napkin, did Yahshua place his cheek, stained with his blood from plucking his hairs, the beard of the meek. A blood-bought woolly veil, given and bestowed, wrapped, separated, and kept on hold for those who dare to seek a promise that is more precious than pure gold. To the lost tribes of Israel, Yahweh is now calling you home, awakening you through woolly hair from Yahshua, who sits on the throne. My well-set hair sisters, Yahshua shed his blood and freely gave his beard, so that we could receive back our veils. Now let me make this perfectly clear. A veil, a cloak, a mantle, a wrapper, otherwise known as hair, it's been granted. It's been bestowed. It's been paid for you. Come and receive it without price or any gold. For long hair is freely given back by Yahshua. One after another do they hang. It's back to glory, ladies. It's back! Like a boomerang. Need hair? Hit me up on my YouTube channel. You can find me by keying in Yahshua gave his cheek for us. I can also be located on Facebook. And don't forget my website, the DownloadMansRealityShow.com. My name is Kim Yvette Walker, and I'm a soldier for Christ. Yahshua gave his cheek, Yahshua gave his beard. Now this is larger than life. Freely I have received, freely I will give. Yahshua love ya.